Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can create your own class or how you can create your own classroom in Google Classroom. So what you want to do is be in classroom.google.com, then in the right upper corner you get plus, and then just create class. Okay, I've read and understand above notice, continue, and then you have like class name that you want to like physics number 1 section, subject and room. Let's say that section it's going to be like 10, 11, 12. I'm just messing with it right now, and then just create. We're going to create the class. It's creating. We will wait for a while. What's new in the classroom? Okay, you can see student grades for all assignment, test drive Rubik's, got it. Now what do you want to do? You can share something with your class, upcoming, and first, okay, let's start here. In here, you got the calendar that you can write stuff, to-do list, physics number 1, and now you can go to classwork, assign work to a class here. You can create assignment. Got it. You can upload file here. Let's say title. Find a way. Try to explain Stoicism to 5-year-old. Assign. Okay. Now we have our assignment. You have people here. I'm the teacher, and you can add student here. And this is how we can invite students. So it's really simple. And then you have grades. So when you're gonna have students here, you can add them and you can grade them if you would like. So that's kind of it. And it's really simple. I mean, it's UX, UI friendly. So, yep. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Goodbye.